the top part of the fence is fixed. Now the tiger shouldn't be able to climb over. Hopefully. Oh, there's one more important thing forgot. I need to warn the keeper. Be careful inside the habitat. Oh, perfect timing. Excuse me? Yes? Please be more careful when walking inside the habitat. Even if the tiger looks calm, you can't let your guard down. Oh, our tigers are super chill. They are used to me. Even though, if you stroll around like that, you could get attacked. This is life-threatening. Absolutely not. Got it.
That keeper was about to become the headline of tomorrow's news.
Yeah, I think so. Glad I stopped it in time. So, what's next?
Nancy said to head over to the Peafowl habitat.
Right, let's go check it out. Oh, wait, isn't that the same keeper? Is she dancing?
She's probably just exhausted. Let's leave her be. Judging by the map, it should be around here.
Oh, is that it? Look, there.
Oh, you're right.
The education board showed Indian people.
We made it.
Nice.
Wait, Nancy's not here.
Maybe it's tea time again?
Could be. I'm gonna hit the restroom real quick.
Okay. This peaceful habitat is really beautiful. What exactly are we supposed to fix there? It looks perfect.
Now then, just find one of the peafowls and select them to open their information panel.
Oh, that was sudden.
Expand their social welfare and we can get a bit more detail.
Alright.
Now, they've clearly got plenty of space and they're not stressed, but it looks like their social group isn't quite right. So let's find out more.
Got it.
Click on the social tab at the top of their information panel to see what's wrong.
Okay.
Right, as you can see, the peafowlers need their population to be larger. To solve this little problem, you'll need to adopt 3 more female peafowls. Off you pop to the animal market then.
So, just add more people? Done again. Now, let's wait for them to arrive. Oh, people incoming. Welfare's clean, no major issues. They're already running around the moment they arrive.
Good work on those peafowls, but sadly, it sounds like our snow leopard is a bit grumpy. Let's head over there and see what's wrong with her.
Okay, Nancy, go ahead. We'll catch up in a second.
I'm back. Wait, where's Nancy?
She already left.
Huh? Seriously?
Yeah, she said it's done since we added more people.
What? That's it? Isn't Nancy getting more and more casual?
Yeah, kind of. She went ahead to the snow leopard habitat. Let's wrap this up quick and head over.
Right, let's do that. First up.
So first, let's check how this habitat looks from the guest side.
Yep, mesh again. Hard to see through.
Such a beautiful habitat. What a waste.
Also, why are there so many guests here? It's way too crowded.
Let's see. Look at this. The beautiful habitat is super close to the entrance. Prime location.
Oh, so even the hard to see spots are packed.
Seems like it.
So what do we do? It's crowded, visibility is bad, and the fence isn't helping.
Oh, I have a good idea. Ta-da! How's this? We just let the guests inside the habitat.
Wait, can we do that?
Yep, I checked Zookeeper. It's allowed. Here, look. It says guests can interact.
I see. Before you let the guests go inside, please just put this sign.
Looking good. What? Now they can actually see the people.
And the crowd is more spread out too.
Alright, it's done. Let's go inside.
The gate opens by itself. Fancy.
High-tech stuff. This new people area looks great. Guests can walk inside, and the bird seems fine with it. But where are they? Let's sit on the bench and take a look. From here, you can see everything. Nice trees, soft light, open space. It feels calm but not boring. People can take pictures really close.
That's rare. And that fountain.
Yeah, that was already here. Nancy did something right for once. Okay, now move on. Hey Ray, stand up. The people look amazing. Slow steps, no stress. Oh look, the keeper's cleaning up poop. What is that vacuum thing? How does it even work? Okay, time to move on. Now that you can take pictures really close here, no fence, no glass, just you and people.
Actually, one of the people escaped the other day.
Oh, never mind. Next time we're heading to the snow leopard habitat. It's a whole different vibe.
Hey, if you like this, give it a like and hit subscribe.
Yeah, more cool habitats are on the way.
See you there!